For all the men who keep asking कि अगर हम बंदियों को सोशल मीडिया या इंस्टाग्राम पे अप्रोच नहीं करें, so what are the location where we can find women to approach? So guys, the best place to meet new women is actually anywhere, and the best time to meet new women is anytime. You can find the most attractive females when you will least expect them. Be prepared to approach them rather than actually limiting yourself to approach them at a specific location or a specific time. The ability to meet women anywhere or anytime has actually lots of advantages. It's much like surprising a woman in a relationship with flowers, because the effect of it is going to be for a long time. The effect will be much stronger. Same, meeting women at unanticipated location is lot more memorable for her. She will dwell on the thoughts of you if you meet her at an unexpected place or time. And this anywhere and anytime actually include the streets during the daytime, a setting that is even more surprising. अलग अलग जगहों पे जहाँ पे तुमको पता है कि बंदियां hang out करना पसंद करती हैं. A male who is still learning to be a man will make the fastest progress by creating his own opportunity. और इसको करने के लिए this guy will have to go out with the sole intent of meeting women all by himself. और अगर तुम ऐसा कर रहे हो और तुम्हारे friends तुमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई तुम कहाँ जा रहा है, then tell them the truth. Tell them that you are going out to meet women. Tell them you are going to socialize. Don't be ashamed to tell them that you are interested in women and you are going out to seduce them. और अगर तुम बाहर जाते हो with the sole intent of meeting women, quickly change venues. If you end up at a place where you don't find a woman that you want, go to the other side of the road, go to other place where you can have more chances of meeting women. And अब सबसे जरूरी बात, if you find a place where you are finding a lot of beautiful women, or this place is full of beautiful ladies, then in that case keep that knowledge to yourself. Don't tell it to everyone. The worst mistake that men make is the moment they find a place where there are a lot of women, they'll just go and broadcast it to the world and all their male friends. और फिर होता क्या है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आ जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लड़के आ जाते हैं, which actually force attractive women to go out of that place and they'll find a new place where they can assemble. In most cities, there are only limited number of places where there is abundance of women, or the female to male ratio is very high, as they are not interested in being at a place where there are a lot of men, actually unattractive men. You have to keep this knowledge all within yourself. उस जगह को बाद में जाके burn करना चालू करो धीरे धीरे, and go to that place regularly. What you will see is that you are able to meet more women every day. Men who are good with women, they will usually not go to places which is overwhelmed with lot of men, but they'll go to places, they'll find beautiful women. And even female, they'll not go to places where there are a lot of men, they'll go to places where there are a lot of beautiful women. They want to be selected out of that large group, and so that they can feel more special. And you must have heard some of your friends, some of your male friends talking about that they started one of these activities because they can find more chances to meet women. These activities can be Zumba, yoga, dance, or anything else. Indeed, some of these activities are actually very famous around women, but there is no point to join any of these activities just with an intent of meeting women. This will just be another excuse of why you are not able to meet women. And men, they do not need any excuse to meet women. They just need to go out and approach them and start talking to them. They should have courage to go and talk to a woman that they want. All these activities are actually really good activities if you have any sort of interest in learning them. But if you are just doing it with the sole purpose of meeting women, it is just an excuse that you are trying to run away. If you are going to these places just to meet women, then in that case you shouldn't be paying for these activities. You should approach women at these places without paying anything, like in a bar or in a club where you can actually talk to any woman without paying for their drink. बहुत सारे लड़के ये भी बहाना बनाते हैं, the place where I live doesn't have a lot of women. It is just an excuse that you don't know how to talk to women. If you know how to talk to women, you just need one woman that you want, and then you should just know how to go and approach her. It's very simple.